Is it worth it getting your car ceramic coated? Well, today we're going to see that in this video, guys, because yesterday I got my car completely hand washed, both in the inside and in the outside, and also ceramic coated with one layer to see, well, if is it worth it or not, basically. So let me show you how it works. So let's quickly see it in action. I have this bottle of water here. I'm going to pour it over here, let's see. And as you can see, the water gets repelled easily. Also here in the windshield, same way. Also here, it gets repelled. So I'm going to show you or explain you how it works.
Ceramic coating is basically a liquid polymer packed with silica nanoparticles. When you spread it onto clean paint, those tiny particles chemically bond with a clear coat, forming a crystalline layer just a few microns thick. Think of it like building millions of microscopic interlocking tiles that cling to your paint at the molecular level. Once cured, the ceramic coating forms a super hard layer, blocking light scratches. However, its real power is hydrophobicity, because water beads up and rolls off, carrying dirt away. The nanoparticles also reflect UV rays, so your paint won't oxidize or fade, and it resists contaminants like bird droppings or acid rain. You apply it with a microfiber applicator, let it flash, then buff it off, leaving a glossy finish that lasts between 12 to 18 months with minimal upkeep.
Now let's actually test it. So for that, I'm going to use this car as a daily for 2 whole weeks, and after that I'm going to power wash it so I can show you guys how it really performs and if it's worth it or not. So let's do it. So 16 days have passed since we did the ceramic coating, and we're going to see how the car is overall. So as you can see, I've been using it daily, and we have a lot of dirt going on here on the hood. Also the windshield is dirty. We have some dots here. This, which well, it's quite dirty as well. What do we have in the back? Yeah, overall we have some dirt going on. So we're going to wash it. I'm going to spend like €2 or €1 if possible to do a quick wash. Then we're going to go for a drive to wipe it off, all the water. So I'm not going to use a towel because I really want to see the efficiency of the ceramic coating. And yeah, let's go for it. Okay, so here we are. Let's do it. Let's go for a quick wash. That's €1. I think I'm going to leave it like that. So let's go for a quick drive to wipe it off. But so far I can see the difference. Okay guys, so let's see the difference we have now. I've just spent €1, remember, and the car is looking way better. With just €1 we have removed all of the dirt that was sticking out. You see, overall way cleaner here. And to be honest, I think I never gotten the car this clean with just €1. When I was washing it, yeah, you could really tell how the water wasn't really sticking, and I was just removing all the dirt away. So yeah guys, I think the result, as you can see with your own eyes, it's really worth it. So guys, what are my final thoughts about this whole ceramic coating thing? Do I think is it worth it? Well, I would say that it pretty much is, yes. Why? Well, I paid for this 1 layer ceramic coating thing €200, and now for just €1 I've gotten the car to look almost perfectly clean. Yeah, it might be some spots there and there, but remember that I just spent €1 and then went for a drive to get the water. Let's take it with this biker, okay, to get the water off, and now the car looks perfectly fine. So we're not only talking about not having to spend that much money when cleaning it, but also in time. I could spend like 20 to 25 minutes washing and making the car look clean. But with this ceramic coating, you have seen it in the video. Just €1 and it looks really nice. Obviously the car was not super dirty, but it was dirty. So yeah, I think this is pretty much it, guys. If you are enjoying this type of videos on my content in general, remember that I upload a video every week, so you can subscribe to keep watching my content. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.